Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this smartband. Before we start, if you want to change the watch face on this smartband, your smartband needs to be paired with a phone via the FITBIT application. Once the devices are paired together, we can continue, and now we can open the FITBIT application on the phone that is paired with our smartband. So let's tap on the FITBIT icon to open the app. After the application opens, you should see the page called Today. Now tap on the account icon right here in the top left corner to open the account page. On this page you should see your Inspire 3 on the list devices connected to your account. Tap on it and this should bring you to the device page of your Inspire 3. Now find the option called Gallery and tap on it. And here you should see this bar at the top. Oh, my bad. Let's go back. The bar at the top. Tap on the clocks option. And right here we have the list of watch faces we can use on our smartband. Now find the watch face you would like to use. For example, this one. Tap on it to select it. And then tap on the install button to install it on your smartband. And once it's done installing, it's gonna be applied on your smartband, as you can see. And basically that's how you change the watch face on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.